Hello guys, so in this video I am going to explain how to execute your fifth program of NS2, that is implement and study the performance of GSM on NS2 or NS3. Okay, so first before starting with the execution I just show you the NS all-in-one folder once. So you can see here this is the NS all-in-one 2.34 folder. Okay, so 2.34 indicates the version of NS2. Okay, 3.2 is the version of NS2 folder. So within this NS all-in-one folder, whatever the features you want to implement the project or to implement the program, you have everything with this folder. Okay, I just double click on this, so you can see we have animations files. So whatever the features you need to execute the animation file, we have within this folder, and this is related to Xgraph. Okay, so all these things we have, but here we have one more folder, that is NS 2.34, which is one of the core folder of NS2. Okay, I just open this, and here to execute your fifth and sixth program you have to go to a folder. Okay, that means wireless script. Within that folder you have to execute your fifth and sixth program. Okay, so here I have TCL folder. See, TCL. Within this I have EX folder. Here I have wireless script. So within this folder you have to save your programs, fifth and sixth programs. Why? Because we have a statement in our fifth and sixth program saying that source web.tcl. So that means what? We are accessing one more TCL file within our original TCL file. So where is that web.tcl? Here we have. Okay, so this is the default web.tcl file what we have within wireless scripts folder. So you can see here the path of web.tcl. Okay, so that's why we need to save this fifth program and sixth program within this folder only. Okay, and also along with this you have to know the two more files. I just show you that I'm on desktop now. I'm going to NS all-in-one, then I'm going to NS bin. So here you can see get RC file and raw2xg. Okay, so these are the two more files what we are using in sixth and fifth program. Okay, the path of these two programs you have to know. In desktop we have NS all-in-one, within that we have NS 2.34, within that we have bin, within that bin folder we have get RC and raw2xg files. Okay, so now I'll show you how to save that file within wireless script folder and how to execute the program. Okay, I'm going to open the terminal now. Okay, first I want to change the directory. Okay, first I want to go to desktop. To change the directory we can use cd command. To come out from the folder we can use cd space dot dot. You can see cd space dot dot. We can use this folder. Now I am going to desktop. You can see here I am in desktop folder now. Then cd space ns all-in-one. Press enter. I am in ns all-in-one. Then cd space ns 2.34. I am in this folder now. Within that I have TCL folder, correct? So cd TCL, then cd EX. So this path you have to remember very carefully. Okay, so within this I am checking the folders whether I have wireless scripts or not. To check the folder or to get the list of folders or files I can use ls command. So just I'll press enter. Can you see here wireless scripts I have? Okay, so within this I want to save my program. Okay, so I'll give clear once. Then now I am in EX folder. Within that I want to go to wireless scripts. Wireless scripts. Okay. So here let me check whether I have web.tcl file or not. Yes, I have here. Okay. So within this wireless script you have to create and save your fifth program. So how to do that? vi space lab5.tcl. So lab5 is file name. You can give any name you want. So this is the fifth program. I have already typed the program, so no need to type again. You can see here we are using getrc and raw2xg, right? And source is also we have source web.tcl. You can see source web.tcl here. Fine. And I want to go to terminal now. Go back to terminal. Press escape:wq. See here, I am getting this. Press enter. Now I came back to terminal. Now you need to run the program. What is the command? ns space lab5.tcl. See, you are getting the output. So this is the graph what you are getting for fifth program. And also in the background, that means in the terminal, check you are getting the put statement GSM cell topology. Okay, and remember that you have to save your TCL file within this wireless scripts only. Okay, so this is how you need to execute your fifth program. So how to execute your sixth program then? It is same as fifth program. Within this wireless scripts only you have to save the sixth program also. Okay, so vi space lab6.tcl. If you don't have the program, typed program, then you will get a blank screen here, but I have already typed the program, so I am getting the program here. So this is your sixth program. Press escape:wq. Now you need to run the program. ns space lab6.tcl. CDMA cell topology I am getting as put statement, and this is the graph what I am getting. So this will be the output for your sixth program, CDMA program. Suppose if you want to come back to the desktop now, again if you want to come back, just press cd space dot dot. See, you came to ex. cd space dot dot tcl, cd space dot dot, you came back to ns 2.34, cd space dot dot, you came back to ns all-in-one, then cd space dot dot, you are in desktop, cd space dot dot. Yes, you came to root, the original folder. So this is how you need to execute your fifth and sixth program, that is GSM and CDMA programs.